Wait a minute, Jack. I'm going to do a video. So I've scored the paper. You can see little bits of scoring I did with the scary looking tool that Jack says looked like it's from a horror film. And I scored it as lightly as I could considering it's painted. And now we're just waiting for the steamer to heat up, and then we're gonna spray our special spray on of half fabric softener, half water, and we'll do that in the last 5 minutes before the steamer's ready.
That's weird.
So from what I've gathered, everybody says I should score, spray, steam, scrape. So I don't know how if I'm supposed to spray more than one section at a time or what. So that'll be the learning curve. Anyways, so here we go. Wish me luck. So we pulled some off to start with. Our steamer's still heating up, but we tested just with the fabric softener, and we did get off some pretty big pieces. So that is a good method by itself.
It looks like a falcon.
No, I don't think it looks like a fountain. But...
yeah, look, because the head and the beak.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see it?
Anyways, we are trying to figure out if this is just another layer of paper, though, because obviously this doesn't feel like a wall. It feels like it's just another piece, like just like another layer of paper. So we're not sure. I guess, yeah, that is another layer of paper.
Dang it!
So I guess we're going to remove
everything.
The one kind first, and then go for the next kind and hope that comes off too.
What do you mean one kind?
Well, there's two kinds of paper here, obviously.
Two kinds?
Yeah, there's two kinds. Oh, here comes the steam. All right, we are ready to steam.
Okay, so do you just steam it? Let me feel it.
No, you don't. You just hold it on there for like 10 seconds, right?
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We don't want to soak the walls though. That's what I'm worried about. So I'm going to go up here. We're going to do it up here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let me do yours too, Jack.
Why is it like green?
It's the paint. It's the, or I think it's the fabric softener.
Oh, fabric.
I need you to count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Wait till I finish counting. Okay, that's good. Right there is good.
Okay. All right. So Jack, move out of the way. This has got to stay just kind of like out like that. We don't want you to get steam burns. So come over this way.
Whoa.
All right. So if Jack is going to go down and start peeling from here down.
All right. Here I go. Here I go. Okay, let me do it. Let me do it. Let me. Okay.
I'm just getting this started. Okay.
Getting me started.
And I'm going to do this part. Let me get the scraper and see if I need to gently scrape it to get it started. And then I'm going to pull.
Lethal. Lethal.
Okay, let's see. How big a piece can we get? Oh, yes. Yay!
Don't want to be getting first degree burns while I peel this. No one likes those first degree burns.
We should set up a far camera that sits. Should we set up a camera to keep track of our progress?
Yeah.
All right, let's stop for right now. So after about 15 minutes, 20 minutes of work, we found that there are not one, not two, but possibly three. We're not sure. We think this might be a mural. We think we have got to the wall. So we're going to pull as much as we can. We're really just focusing on the blue, the light blue paper today, but I guess if we can get the brown paper at the same time, we will. But this is going to be quite a job, and I'm glad I have my little helper here. Jack?
Yeah?
Look up.
Hi. Whatever, hi.
Helping me get the low spots. That's the best thing you can do to help mommy. Thank you. So it's been about an hour. We've completed one wall. And I have to tell you, it's not that hard, but we do realize we are going to have to go through 2 layers. So this is going to be a 2-day process probably, because you can see there's some kind of paint underneath. It's blue. We think it might be a mural because down here it's like dark green. So who knows? It's like uncovering a buried treasure. So we're going to keep working and we'll keep updating. So for the record, the method of scoring, spraying with half water, half fabric softener, then steaming for 10 seconds, squared areas, and then scraping it all off is working. We're getting big sections, probably, I don't know, average sections about 6 inches wide by, I don't know, 3 feet, and it makes it go faster. All right. So we have found something behind both layers. And we knew something was behind there because there were these lumps and bumps all over. And it looks like there's some kind of strange, mythical something that somebody worked very hard on, I think, long ago. So our thing has become a little bit like Indiana Jones. We feel like we're unearthing something. So we'll keep updating as we steam, scrape away. But the good news is we got all the blue painted off. Everything is off. And we have some kind of weird noise coming out of the closet, which we have to figure out. But yeah, and that's the blue that we started getting off over there. So what we learned for today is that when you're scraping off painted wallpaper, the scoring and spraying with the warm fabric softener water combination is enough pretty much to get it off. And then steaming is what you need for this brown stuff underneath. I guess is the glue paper-y stuff. So we will have a longer job at that, I think, but this is a good start. So phase 2 of the wallpaper adventure is complete. So what we found under the wallpaper was, let's see here, lots of Power Ranger stickers, some ripped off, and these custom murals, which I've shown to everybody already. So my friends tell me these are various monsters from the Power Rangers. So whoever painted this was a big fan. I can tell you whoever covered these walls had some serious ADHD, because they did a million different things to the walls to try to fix them. I don't know what they were really trying to do, like covering up the poor blue Power Rangers face with spackling. We've obviously got lots of repairs to make, and Jack is still deciding whether he wants to have the murals left. And then there's this random beige paint that I'm going to try to get off with a heat gun, and this weird robin egg blue. And then there's some more little I guess, Transformers or Power Ranger stuff here, and then somebody tried to cover that with spackling too. Kind of a shame. And then weird, they painted under the closet with some weird beige again. And we removed all the wallpaper inside the closet, which was like, why wallpaper inside the closet? Anyways, so I'll take a couple of shots for the home team. So now that we have it down to the paint, we're gonna try to fix and get this ready for some primer. I'm gonna sand down some of these rough spots, but the worst thing here is some latex that was just, I don't know why, slopped kind of on things. And so what I've got to do is try to remove it because I don't want to sand it down. So anyways, I'm going to try to remove it and see if I can do it with a heat gun. If it's not easily removed, then I will sand it down. But yeah, trying to be clever about it. So here we go. So we've got the offensive paint scraped off. And it looks like there might have been a mural or something underneath. So now I'm going to sand all this to make it smooth and hopefully get all this paper and little bits and things off of here, and we're going to start priming. So Katie, my friend, convinced me that skim coating walls is zen. Okay. More zen than this already seemingly okay, in my opinion, white wall. Even though there are, if you get close, some imperfections and bumps. Right there, some examples. Goal is have a smooth wall that we can paint. I'm gonna switch here to switch the camera, and let's see if it does it. Nope, it doesn't do it. So I've got my spackle. I've just added a cup full of water. I'm going to thin it out to what they call icing consistency. Then I'm going to put it on the walls a little bit on the edges with the spackling knives, and then I am going to roll it, and we will see if it is a zen experience.